Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video by RABBY. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create vintage style cover art using Adobe Photoshop CC. So guys, we will create video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. First of all, let's create a new document. Press Ctrl plus N to open new document window. Now let's drag a photo. Press Ctrl plus T to transform the image. Now let's drag a overlay image in Photoshop. Change the blend mode into multiply. Now let's create a black and white gradient map. Reverse the color from black to white. Create a new layer and select the brush tool. Select a soft rounded brush and decrease the hardness into 0%. Now select black color and brush over the lower part of the image. Create another layer and this time use white color and brush over the upper part of the image. Change the blend mode for this layer into linear dodge. Also decrease the opacity. Now let's create a new text layer and type out our album name. I'm using Go Bold font for this project. Now change the color of the text into whatever you like. Give some time to create some cool looking typography. Now let's import some overlay to give abstract look. Change the blend mode into overlay. Decrease the white brush layer opacity a little bit. Select the top layer. Now hold shift and select the bottom layer. This will select all the layers. Now right click on your mouse and convert into a smart object. Now let's create a custom border for this image. Select the lasso tool and draw a frame on the image. Now click on the mask icon. This will create a custom frame for this image. So guys, our final artwork is done now. I hope you liked it. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.